Hey guys, so this is just going to be a quick explanation of what I would like you to do for your Alienagon project. Okay, so I sent you these slides. On the first slide, you're just going to click here, erase that and type your name there so I know who it belongs to. And then here's what you're going to be doing. Oh no, aliens have invaded our school. They've been seen roaming the hallways. You've witnessed them committing crimes against our school rules, and you've been asked to create a picture of them to help security locate them easier. The problem is the aliens are made of polygons. So what can you do to help? You must use the required amounts and kinds of polygons to create a picture of one of the aliens. Then write a brief 3 to 5 sentence description of what crimes you saw the aliens committing at school. So on the next slide, you're going to see here's what you need to use. These are the rules of what you need to use to make up your alien. Okay, so your alien needs to be made up of 4 different types of quadrilaterals, and I've listed the quadrilaterals that you can use right there. It needs to be made up of 3 different types of angles and 3 different polygons with 5 or more sides. So you have a list there. So technically, in total, your alien would only need to be made of 10 different shapes because we have 4 plus 3 plus 3, so we have 10. Okay, you can use a couple, like if you choose trapezoid, rectangle, parallelogram, and rhombus, you can use more than one rhombus. Okay, you just need to have 4 different. So you could have like 20 shapes, but 10 of them are different from each other. Okay, so then using those rules, it's time to create. I want you guys to really have fun with this because it's your last math assignment of 5th grade. This is it. So on the next slide, you're going to design your alien using the rules, and you will need to use the shape and line tool, which I'm going to show here in a second just to refresh your memory. And then on the final slide, you're going to write your crime description. So we have a blank slide for the alien, blank slide for your crime description. So on your blank slide for your alien, you can change the layout so that it's a blank one. Which is what I recommend unless you want to have a title and you want to name your alien or something. So you could have title only, so you could click your layout to have a title, and then you can draw your alien there. I'm just going to go with a blank. And then if you're going to use the shape tool, you would just need to say, oh, I'm going to do a square. Okay. And you can change the fill of that so you can make that yellow. So once you have a shape, you can change what color it is. You can change the size of it. Just trying to make sure that it stays. You can rotate it. Okay. If you want to have more than one of that, you can use Control C to copy and Control V to paste. And then so you can have whatever shapes you want here. Here we have our little parallelogram tool. Okay, and now it's filling all of them with that color, but you can change it as you go. If you're not finding the shape that you want, you might have to create it yourself. Okay, so then you can use a line tool, and you can continue clicking, come on, the line, and you can nope, sorry, click off that. That's what was going on. And you can create a shape made of all these different lines. Be like, whoa. Okay. And then that one's a little harder in order to fill in with something when you use the line tool. I think, let me try something here. Give me a second to put my computer back out of auto rotate. I think you might be able to click each line, and if you hold down the shift, you can click all of them. And if you right click, let me see, can I group them to group them together? And then this becomes one shape. Now let me see if I can fill it. I'm not sure about that part. Might not be able to fill it still. Let's look, red. Nope, it's just gonna change the line. So if you wanna have a white one with colored lines, but I don't think that you can fill those when you make them yourself. Okay, but just have fun with this. Try to create some type of alien for me. You can let's look and say, rotate this. That square could be its head, and it has a triangle neck. Okay, and then create his arms and all of that. You can even use shapes to make the face or things like that, or fingers or whatever to make it look more human alien-like. Okay, but just have fun with this, guys. And just good luck, and you're awesome.